Write an equation of a line passing through 2 points. So this time you are not given a slope, and the first thing you would have to do is to calculate slope using the formula y2 minus y1 out of x2 minus x1. Then you want to substitute slope and a point, you pick which point you want to work with, into y equals to mx plus b and solve for b. Then you substitute slope and b into y equals to mx plus b to get the solution. So basically you will have two unknown. You will have y equals to, you have to calculate slope. You will need to find this number, plus you will have to calculate b. You will need to find two separate numbers to answer this question. Here we go. Write equation of a line passing through -2, 3 and 1, -3. And our solution will look like y equals to slope x plus b. Now this is x1, y1, x2, y2. First thing we want to do is calculate slope. So we have y2 -3 minus y1, which is 3, out of x2, which is 1, minus x1, -2. This will be -3 minus 3 out of 1 plus 2. So we have -6 out of 3. 3 will go into -6, -2 times. So slope is equal to -2, and we already have part of our answer. Next thing you want to do is substitute slope and one of the points, and I will do -2, 3 for xy, and slope is equal to -2. I'm going to plug it into y equals to mx plus b, so y is 3 equals to m is -2, x is -2 plus b, so we have 3 equals to negative times negative, positive 4 plus b, -4, this is a 0, so b equals to +3 minus 4, we have difference will be 1, and we have more negatives, so it's a -1. So we just need to simplify this a little bit. We have y equals to -2x, positive times negative, -1, and this is our solution. Write equation of a line passing through 3, -12, and -4, 2. And our solution will look like y equals to, we need to find slope in front of x plus b. So here we go, x1, y1, x2, y2, and the first step is to find slope, which is y2 minus y1 -12 out of x2 -4 minus 3. So numerator we have 2, negative times negative, positive 12 out of -4 minus 3. So 2 and 12, we have 14 out of same sign, we have -7 as a sum. So slope, positive divided by a negative, we have negative. 7 goes into 14 2 times. So we have -2. That's part of our solution. Then we want to substitute one of the points. Let's take the smaller one. -4, 2. And slope, which is -2. We want to substitute this into y equals to mx plus b, x, y. So y is 2, slope is negative 2, x is negative 4 plus b. So we have 2 equals to negative times negative positive 8 plus b. We need to solve for b, so minus 8 minus 8. So difference between 2 and 8 is 6, and we have more negatives, so it's negative 6 is equal to b. So now we just need to simplify this a little bit. We have y equals to negative 2x, positive times negative, minus 6, and this is our solution. Write equation of a line passing through negative 1, 1, and 5, 7. Once again, our solution looks like y equals to slope in front of x plus y-intercept. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. First thing we want to do is to calculate slope, and it's equal to y2, which is 7 minus y1 out of x2, 5, minus x1, negative 1. So we have 7 minus 1 in numerator, 5 plus 1 in denominator. So we get 6 out of 6, which is 1. So slope is equal to 1. So we have part of the solution. Then we want to take one of the points. It does not matter which one. So let's do negative 1, 1, and the slope, which is 1, and substitute it into y equals to mx plus b. So we have x, y, we have 1 equals 2, m is 1 times x is negative 1 plus b. So we have 1 equals to negative 1 plus b. So we do additive inverse of plus 1 to both sides. And we have 2 equals to b. So y equals to x plus 2 is our solution. That's all.